A little harder to enjoy big holiday fireworks to bring in 2021 this year, but we want to welcome the new year with a little confetti, courtesy of our friends at STEM Nola. STEM student Lewis Smith joins us along with STEM Nola's Giovani Rodriguez to show us how to make confetti poppers. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Okay, so how exactly do you make confetti poppers?
The materials you need to make them are a balloon, cardboard tube, confetti, and tape. You first start by cutting off the tip of the balloon and tying the bottom half of it.
Okay.
After that, you stretch the balloon over the cardboard tube.
Those are some basic ingredients that most people would probably have at their homes, right? So that's good.
Yeah.
All right, so after you put the balloon over, then what do?
You take the tape and you put it all around the balloon where you have stretched it at.
Okay. Lewis, while you're doing this, can you tell us where you're a student?
Of a school?
Yep, where do you go to school?
Warren Easton.
Okay, and what grade are you in?
9th grade.
9th grade, awesome. All right, so you've got the tape on your balloon there on the cardboard tube. What's the next step?
After you finish putting the tape on it, you fill it with confetti.
So this is actually pretty cool because so ours are decorated. You can decorate it before or after, and then when we get the confetti in, so we're going to learn about potential energy and kinetic energy as it's going up.
And what did you paint them with? Just some basic paint?
Yeah, you can use construction paper, markers, glitters, different things like that.
Okay.
So,
and this is definitely an easy thing to get kids involved with, Giovani.
Yeah, and it's going to be great for the New Year's right around the corner.
Right, right.
Something fun to do, all learning at the same time. And it's just two different ways to fill it up, either with a cone or by hand the way Lewis did it.
Maybe if you have like a funnel, you know, in your kitchen, you could use one of those.
Okay.
All right, so you fill it up with confetti, whatever kind of confetti you can find, and then what happens next?
Well, when you pull it back, it's stored energy. That's basically potential energy that is stored. And when you let it go, it's kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the movement.
Gotcha. So it's all about kinetic energy.
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year's!
Awesome!
There you go. Happy New Year's!
And the fun thing is you could do it a couple times. You've got enough confetti stored up in there, right?
Yeah, there's still some in there.
And Giovani, I mean, that's what's so great about STEM Nola. There are so many activities that kids can get involved with. You know, we like to highlight them weekly on Fox 8 Morning Edition, but it's so simple for the kids to get involved in making these and really a lot of the different STEM experiments.
Yeah, we have a lot of things and different events. You can always come out and check things out. So we have something on the 16th where we're partnering with Auctioner to build lungs. And as well on the 30th with DXC, we have a tech day where we're going to build stoplights.
Very cool. All right, well, Giovani and Lewis, thank you very much for your time. We love the demonstration. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
A lot